Viewing the grading codes ABS, NTI, IP, and EX. This image is available on the training page. It shows what are now called comment codes in the gradebook. ABS and NTI equals 0, IP still equals in progress, and EX is the new code for excused. In the past, you saw or you typed in EXC. Now you're only going to type in EX. Many of you have asked about how to show the ABS, NTI, and IP codes in your gradebook. For now, many of you are seeing something like this, where you've entered ABS, but it shows up as 0, and you have to hover over it in the gradebook to see that it is an absent here. The next student will have received an NTI, but it's showing up as 0. This cell shows as empty, but actually when we hover over it, it says in progress. And finally, this one below looks empty, but it has a tiny E in the bottom. So we can actually show ABS, NTI, and IP for these three codes. To do so, let's go to Filters and Options. Click this. And underneath Options, we want to click Show Comment Codes. And then click in the white space, and voila, look at that. ABS, NTI, IP. Now, this still looks blank, but there's the tiny green E in the bottom. Let's look at what happens on the back end of this. Go ahead and click in the assignment itself as if to enter scores. We're going to click Enter Scores. And notice here it says 0 for this first student and 0 for the second student. And there are no scores for the third and fourth students. But look in the comments. If you choose absent or not turned in, that will register a 0. Likewise, you can enter ABS directly into the gradebook. Look at our student who has the excused assignment. Notice on the back side here the check mark under exclude. This student has been excluded or excused from the assignment. So this is not included in waiting out his grades. So let's go back. I'm going to click Save. Save and return. We go back to the gradebook. And this is what it looks like on this end. So if we want to change something, we can certainly say that this student was absent. Enter and save changes. And you can see this on the back end when you go to Edit or click in the assignment and then go to Enter Scores, excuse me. And it shows up back here. That's it.